Alright, today I'm addressing shade for this window on the side of the RV that does not have an awning. When the sun hits this side, it creates a lot of heat inside because this is a big window. So I bought these Easy Snap external shades, and so I will be installing them today. The first step is to install these adhesive studs on the outside of the RV, and these will pin the shades onto the RV. I'll go through this process and I'll show you. I'm first marking where I want these to all go. I'm going to do every 14 inches. I'm going to use 16 of these, I believe, all the way around the window, and we have to allow 24 hours for it to adhere. So I'm going to mark it, place these, and get back to you tomorrow. But before I do that, I want to show you they give you a marking pencil, which really doesn't do much good because I can't really see. It doesn't really stick. And then this is the alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, I guess it is, and you activate it by pushing the button, that black spot there, and it activates it. It's got a foam tip, and you clean the area where you're going to put the studs. So once you pull the backing off of these, you're supposed to hold it on there for, I think it says 5 seconds, 15 pounds of pressure for at least 5 seconds. I've been doing it longer. And then 24 to 30 hours is when it gets the full strength. 90% strength at 24 hours, and then at 30 hours it's 100%. 100% on there. So as you can see, I've done it almost all the way around. I'm almost done. And like I said, we leave that sit overnight. Tomorrow we can continue the next process.
The next day.
Okay, now the next thing we have to do is put these pins on. These just snap right on. And we do them for all of these, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, that's what it looks like. With the help of Lisa, we got it hung, and we got it punctured through the netting. I have to do the rest of these. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, just puncture it through the screen, through the mesh. We'll continue doing that all the way around, and then put the caps on. There we go. We got them all on. Now I'm just going to put the caps on. These little caps here just snap right on. Just push them on, and then we will cut the shape of the window a little better, because I don't like that square look. We finish getting the caps all on all the way around, and then we can take it off. And there you go. That's what it looks like when it's on from the outside. It kind of looks okay. Maybe I won't cut the corners. I don't know if I should taper the corners or not. Let me know in the comments if you think I should shape it like the windows, a little curved on the sides. Let's go in and take a look and see what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. So you come on inside, and this is what it looks like. You can still see out the window. Nobody can see in, but you can see out. Well, except at night. If you have the lights on, people can still see in. So just be aware, you still need to pull down your blinds. But in the daytime, no one can see in here. So this is the removal tool. When you want to take this off, you can just go under here and put it right under snap. And there you have it. this remains on here now. And then I just roll this up, put it back in my box when I don't use it. See, and it just snaps right back on. Easy snap. So we are going to a campground for 2 weeks, coming up in a couple days. Black Hawk Campground. And I believe we're going to be facing a certain way, that this side, the left side of the RV, will be sunny side, I believe. So it'll be a good test for this. It should decrease the temperature of the window by, I think, at least 20 degrees, helping cool the RV, because there's no awning on this side, so this is going to be the hot side. So hopefully the air conditioner won't run too much, or at all. Hopefully it'll be nice weather. So anyways, that may be our next video, so stay tuned.